All construction, engineering, manufacturing and maritime sectors are very male dominated. From the beginning, I've been mostly surrounded by males. It's really good to see over how advanced over the last couple of years those industries are getting so that more females are entering in.
Every job I've had has been a male-dominated role or industry. Here at GeelongPort, I found it to be really comfortable, actually. The men are actually excited to see a woman taking on the role and doing just as good as them, and also questioning things that maybe they haven't questioned here at GeelongPort. I definitely feel that being a female in a male-dominated industry, that I'm really, really well supported.
What I think we do is we say in our job ads that, you might not have all the qualifications, but feel free to apply, because it gives people an opportunity. Because I think that's what the research has shown, that particularly a woman will see that and they'll go, I can't do that. I can do 70%, but I can't do 30%, so I won't even apply. So by putting that forward, I think has changed the mindset of people to apply it, but also our managers to think that, well, we can actually teach that. You don't actually have to have it.
The industry itself is evolving, and there's so much innovation and creativity happening that it is a really good space to be. It is about going in with an open mind and really putting yourself forward and the way that you do things, and being comfortable to do that, and finding people that support you to do that as well. There's a network of women out there already that are waiting usually to help anyone else that's coming through.
The fact that we have women in our exec team, we brought more women into the business. We did a lot more training and awareness. We looked at all our policies. We've been able to recently advertise a role for a maintenance electrician, and of those, 40% of the shortlist went through, applicants went to interview with women. That was probably the first time I've seen that in those male traditional roles. And we made some really significant changes to policy around parental leave, not only for women or primary carers, we did for secondary carers as well. And we've had some of our men actually take the full 16 weeks of primary carers leave. So it's actually really had a great effect. We've been able to support part-time, some job share for some people coming back from parental leave. So it's been quite successful in a small organisation.
Leaders lead by example and show people that these policies are here to be used and this flexibility is here to be used. Having one mindset for your entire team about what flexibility actually looks like is not necessarily going to work for everyone, because everyone comes from a different story. So I think it's about just really getting to know your team and the needs that sit within your team, and working with them to ensure that you can support them while they do a great job in their role.
I absolutely love my job. It is super challenging every single day. I've got the opportunity to grow my career with GeelongPort. That's why I went for the role. The opportunity's there to be able to expand your knowledge, your skills. Those challenges might frighten me at first, but the more I do them, the more it becomes the norm. It becomes exciting to turn up to work.